Lowy from Closeout Hope you're doing well today. Today I'd like to discuss with you how you can make money from eBay, Amazon retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is a concept of buying a product in one market, the same product in one market at a lower price and selling it in another market at a higher price. In other words, let's say there's a product that in one market sells for $20. Let's say it's a fashion women's hat for the summer. And one market sells for $20, another market sells for $50. If you were to buy that product, even at retail, at $20, you could take it to your market, to the other market, and sell it for $50, or sell it for $40, offer people a discount, and still make money. This is different than buying wholesale. When you buy wholesale, you're essentially buying merchandise from a supplier and then selling it at a retail level. With retail arbitrage, you're buying the product at the retail level and also selling it at the retail level, but in a different market. Now, traditionally, retail arbitrage was done in different geographic markets. Someone might travel to Mexico. They might buy products in Mexico, then travel to Texas, sell them in Texas at a higher price, or vice versa. Or, for instance, a customer from Nigeria would travel to New York and go shopping at stores, look for items that were sold at a clearance price, buy those items, then go back to Nigeria and sell those items locally in Lagos or in Abuja, sell them to people that the customer knows at a higher retail price. Just because the products either are not available in Abuja or they are available, but they're being sold at a higher retail price. Now, the concept of retail arbitrage can also be done in two online markets. One online market is eBay, the other online market is Amazon. Now, you could do it vice versa. You could do it from Amazon to eBay or from eBay to Amazon. Now, let's focus on buying the products, let's say, from Amazon and now selling them on eBay. So how would you do that? You would look at the products that are being sold on Amazon. You look for products that are being sold at a very low price or being sold at a discount. You could look for items that are being sold at a clearance or search for a product and search based on the low, meaning have the listings appear so you see first the lowest priced items and then see how much those products are being sold for on eBay. And for instance, you might find that a Calvin Klein dress is being sold on Amazon by a seller for, let's say, $50 and it's being sold on eBay for $80. If that's the case, then you buy it on Amazon, sell it on eBay, and of course, minus the fees, you're going to make approximately $30, but of course you'll have to deduct the fees from that, but that's your gross profit. Now, there are many other items that you could look for. You could look for items that are, of course, that are being sold on clearance. Maybe look for an item which is being sold at its regular price on Amazon or its regular price on eBay, but it's being sold at a different price level on both sites. Now, once you buy your products, let's say you buy them on eBay, you could submit them to Amazon and send them in to the FBA program, so Amazon will fulfill the sales for you, or you can sell them yourself, but just list them through Amazon. And you can actually do the same thing the other way around. You could look for products that you can buy from Amazon and sell them on eBay, and then once you actually get a sale on eBay, then you place your order from Amazon. You can have the product shipped directly to the customer, or you could have it shipped directly to you, and then you send the product out to the customer. So there's definitely different ways to do it. Now, if you are going to do this business model, you're going to need to do volume, because a lot of times the price difference is going to be marginal. It's going to be very low. And sometimes it's just going to be a unique opportunity, so you're always going to have to be looking for those opportunities so you can do your retail arbitrage on Amazon and on eBay. Thank you so much for watching this video. My website is closeoutexplosion.com. Have an amazing day.